Teach kids how to care for their colorful feathered friends with the Parrot Care Coloring Book. This engaging 25-page printable PDF is filled with beautifully illustrated pages that educate children on the basics of parrot care. From feeding and cleaning the cage to talking practice and clipping nails, each page blends fun and learning, making it perfect for young parrot enthusiasts. Designed for kids aged 3 and up, this coloring book promotes responsibility, compassion, and creativity while teaching essential pet care tips. Instantly downloadable, you can print and start coloring anytime. Download your copy today and let your little one's love for parrots take flight. Download your copy on Teachers Pay Teachers from Kids Mania and let your creativity soar.